Hey, what's happening, y'all? It's Josh from Drive the Coast. Just got this absolutely stunning 1960 Chevrolet Corvette. This is a numbers matching car. Has original paint on it. Absolutely stunning chrome. Beautiful car all the way around. Just did a 45-minute drive. Let's get it to the shop here. Drove beautifully. On the highway as well. Just going to go over this real slowly. You can see the condition of it. Only original once, you know. Love the white coves. White wall tires from Coker Tire. Florida car. Love these early Corvettes. It's beautiful. Top deck also in excellent condition. Love to see the reflection in the paint there. Door panels super nice as well. Door jambs, excellent. Like I said, all factory here. Seats are in excellent condition. It's our 4-speed. Defrost, original radio. Grab bar. This is going to be a cold start. So that is cold, and it's 30 degrees outside. Got good oil pressure. Battery's working. Fuel gauge kind of bouncing around there. Let this motor warm up a little bit. We'll hit our lights. Wipers working. Chevrolet keys. Says January in Florida, 30-something degrees outside right now. Sounds good though. She's ready to idle. And our motor a little warmed up here. Does still have the distributor shield, original 283. Purring like a kitten, as they say. There are lights on here. Let's get out of the shop. We'll take it for a ride.